That texture is not good.
Ugh. I think I like it.
Looks like baby vomit. Smells kind of vile.
This is durian.
I don't know what that is.
Spiky fruit, grows in the tropics. Smells delightful, like old socks.
It's like scrambled eggs.
Or scrambled brains.
It's vaguely oniony. It's like bad onion.
Actually, I think it smells pretty darn good.
This looks good. Kind of reminds me of like chunky whipped cream.
It smells fruity, but like there's something wrong with it.
Is it warm? It smells warm.
This looks like mashed bananas. Definitely doesn't smell like mashed bananas. I don't know what it smells like.
I don't like that.
That texture is not good.
I'm getting nervous.
All right.
It was a big bite.
I don't know. My mind is super convoluted.
What is this? I don't like it. It kind of tastes like coconut.
It's not as bad as initially.
Yeah, but it's got that bad onion taste.
It actually doesn't taste bad.
It's not bad.
No.
Okay.
I mean, I think I kind of like it. It's kind of like, I think it's actually pretty darn good.
Why?
I don't know, it's like sweet but not too sweet.
It's not sweet at all.
Oh, it's so bad.
I don't think I can eat another bite of it.
The texture's terrible.
Okay, so that was not actually as bad as I thought it would be. Ugh. I think I like it. I don't like it at all.
It tastes like a foot.
It smells really weird.
Old socks stuffed with a rotten onion.
You're making it worse.
You don't like it? I kind of like it. What is this?
It's like borderline good and borderline disgusting at the same time. Oh, okay, the aftertaste is not.
Really bad.
Is not, yeah.
You have to finish it, Dave.
No, I don't. I don't think I want to.
It's very nutritious.
And that's one of the best ones.
12 tomatoes.